All right. So we're going to listen to the introduction of this talk. And I'm going to stop along the way and make a couple of comments. So, okay. Colon, the deceased, colon David hyphen Wynn, colon Miller. That's for the David Wynn of the Miller family. This man has some very, very interesting things that he says in the beginning of this talk.
David-Wynn for colon Miller. I punctuate my name because it makes me a fact and not an adjective pronoun fiction. I'm here to introduce to you to a program to bring this planet out of its adverb world for 8,500 years into
What?
a correct sentence.
8,500 years. Now, he's going to tell you that this is controlled, has been controlled by the Universal Postal Union in Bern, Switzerland. So, okay, David, continue. Please tell us more.
Communication syntax organization. All 250 countries worldwide have been under this adverb guise by the Universal Postal Union, Bern, Switzerland, established in 1873, better known as the New World Order. This technology has been perfected, and misinformation, privileged few are allowed to go free from committing crimes, and others are slapped with serious fines, prison terms for absolutely nothing.
I think that's worth backing up and listening to that again, and let this sink in. Let this sink in. People are let go, and then others are doing this time for nothing. And this is it is so true. It is so true. And it's because we have been so dumbed down, and the system that works against us has been so empowered that it's not a level playing field in any. You're on. You're helpless. We have been helpless. We, the people, have been helpless. We have been ignorant. We that's why they get away with these psych evaluations, and we're lunatics, and we don't know what we're talking about because we have been so dumbed down, and the system is such a manipulating, control, illusion, spells, arts, magic, fiction, fraud. Who can lie the best? Who's the better liar? That's what goes on in these courts. Oral arguments. All right, let's listen to Dave again. Let's hear that. Let's hear him say that again.
All 250 countries worldwide have been under this adverb guise by the Universal Postal Union, Bern, Switzerland, established in 1873, better known as the New World Order. This technology has been perfected, and misinformation, privileged few are allowed to go free from committing crimes, and others are slapped with serious fines, prison terms for absolutely nothing. When you go looking for cases.
All right. The criminals go free, and the innocent go to prison, get slapped with fines. And so have you figured out yet? There is no license to practice law. That is a lie. That's a pure lie. You need a license to practice law here. That's a lie. It's fiction. And the people eat it up. And then they want to talk about the Constitution. It's done. It's over. And okay, you want to talk about it? You don't even know how to talk because you're talking at a second grade level. So this is going to be part 2 of how to prosecute the judge or the attorney. And in part 3, I'm going to put the link. I'm going to put the link to this. Maybe it'll be part 4. Maybe if when I'm done with clips and I'm ready to go live, that's when I'm going to put the link to this talk in the comments section. So I think that's worth listening to David one more time, and then I'll wrap this one up.
A program to bring this planet out of its adverb world for 8,500 years into a correct sentence structure communication syntax organization. All 250 countries worldwide have been under this adverb guise by the Universal Postal Union in Bern, Switzerland, established in 1873, better known as the New World Order. This technology has been perfected, and misinformation, privileged few are allowed to go free from committing crimes, and others are slapped with serious fines, prison terms for absolutely nothing. When you go looking for...
All right. So, don't you want to know how to prosecute a judge or an attorney? In this talk, I think he talks about how 400 judges recused themselves. He has caused 400 judges or over 400 judges to recuse themselves.